Are you looking for the best drones for beginners? In this video we will look at some of the best drones for beginners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Holy Stone HS100 Drone. Fantastic beginner drone for adults, with a light and portable form factor, weighing just 27 ounces, GPS integration with a return home function, and a decent battery that allows for 20 minutes of flight time per charge. The Holy Stone HS100 is one of the best beginner drones with a camera and GPS, as this drone not only integrates seamlessly with GPS but allows for a quick return home function with just a few button pushes. This is a light and portable model, weighing just 27 ounces. That is easy to assemble and control. We appreciated the decent battery life on offer, allowing for 20 minutes of use per charge, and the lengthy control range that maxes out at nearly 2,000 feet. The materials used in the construction of this drone are not as sturdy as what is found with some available models, which could be an issue for some. Additionally, the built-in HD camera maxes out at a 720p resolution. Number 2, DJI Mavic Air 2 Drone. Great choice for budding photographers, as this drone includes a stunning 48MP camera, with the ability to shoot 4K video and 8K hyperlapse, and offers the ability to live stream footage from up to 6 miles away from the receiver. This DJI drone is simply a great option for taking high-definition photos and recording HD video, as this model ships with an integrated 48MP camera that can shoot 4K video, 8K hyperlapse content, and live stream from a distance of up to 6 miles away from the receiver. We appreciated the lengthy battery life here, which allows for nearly 40 minutes of use per charge, and the built-in tracking software that automatically locks the camera on a target, no matter how the pilot is performing. We also liked that this drone can be controlled via smartphone or tablet, but also ships with a high-grade control stick. This is not the best cheap drone for photography, however, as it ships with a fairly expensive price tag. Additionally, this is a rather large and bulky device, so we would not recommend this drone for indoor use. Number 3, DJI Mavic Mini Drone. Boasts intuitive and easy-to-use smartphone controls, with a dedicated remote control including with purchase, in addition to featuring a high-powered lithium battery that can get 30 minutes of flight per charge. The DJI Mavic Mini Drone for beginners is built to be easily controlled via a common smartphone or tablet, with an intuitive yet robust control scheme. We loved the light form factor here, coming in at just 9 ounces, and the integrated lithium-ion battery that allows for up to 30 minutes of flight on a single charge. We also liked the 3-axis motorized gimbal attached to the camera, which provides superior stabilization during use. Though this gimbal is great and the integrated camera is decent, though not great, third-party cameras cannot be used with this drone, as the model's lightweight form factor simply cannot accommodate them. Also, this drone is largely made of plastic, so it is not the most durable model on the market. Number 4, DJI Mavic 2 Pro Drone. High-quality drone that can easily reach a max speed of 44 miles per hour, with a lithium battery that allows for over 30 minutes of flight time, and shipping with a suite of accessories and attachments. The DJI Mavic 2 Pro Drone for beginners is of exceptional quality, with a powerful motor that allows it to reach speeds up to 44 miles per hour and shipping with an integrated lithium battery that offers over 30 minutes of flight time per charge. We were impressed with the omnidirectional obstacle sensors for safety, and the number of attachments and accessories that ship with this model, including extra batteries, a battery charging hub, a car charger, low noise propellers, and a shoulder carry bag. While these features are phenomenal, sometimes drones just have an issue with crashing into things. In that case, you'll want to know how to make an obstacle avoidance drone. Unlike the Air Hogs Supernova drone, this is an extremely expensive drone. However, likely due to the high-grade components and the number of accessories that ship with this model. Additionally, the integrated camera is impressive, with the ability to capture HD video and stills, but it does not offer the ability to digitally zoom. Number 5. Parrot Anafi Drone. Exceptionally durable and sturdy design, with long-lasting components, in addition to featuring a nearly 3-mile transmission range and a high-grade battery that can last nearly 30 minutes on a single charge. The Parrot Anafi drone for beginners is a great option for those seeking a long-lasting and ultra-durable model, as this drone is made from sturdy components. It should be able to withstand numerous crashes and accidents, which makes it better than constantly having to fix the drone. We admire the lengthy transmission range of nearly 3 miles and the integrated lithium-ion battery that allows the drone to fly for nearly 30 minutes before needing a recharge. We also like that the included camera boasts both zoom and dolly functionalities. Though we were impressed by the durability on offer with this drone, it is on the expensive side, so consider that before making a purchase. Also, the controls here are solid, as this item ships with a remote and allows for smartphone integration. Some functionalities are locked behind a paywall, including a follow me function and an app that allows users to draw up a customized flight plan. Number 6. Ryze Tello Drone. Value-friendly drone with a robust feature set that includes an extremely light and portable form factor, weighing just 3 ounces, and an easy-to-use control scheme that is perfect for both beginners and children. The Ryze Tello drone for beginners comes in at a value-conscious price while offering features in line with more expensive competitors, such as a high-grade motor that allows the drone to reach speeds up to 20 miles per hour. We appreciated the light and compact form factor, weighing just 3 ounces, and the easy-to-use control scheme that is perfect for beginners and kids alike. Though the Ryze Tello is great for garden variety picture taking, such as selfies, the integrated camera is just 5 MP, which may not be great for all consumers. Additionally, the included lithium battery only allows for 13 minutes of flight time per charge.